My Lead, Learn, Grow conversation cards help leaders and organizations embed learning and growth conversations into everyday interactions. There's three types of cards in the deck: question cards around learning mindset and team culture, and action cards, which is what I want to talk about today. When I first prototyped the cards and got feedback from clients and colleagues, they were excited and gave great feedback, which is wonderful. But they also said that leaders might struggle to start implementing some of the things that the cards were suggesting. So, for example, if a leader and their team wanted to focus on increasing curiosity for innovation or increasing psychological safety to build trust, there are questions that prompt discussions around that, but they might struggle to take some first steps to put that into place. So I created the action cards as a way of helping leaders and their teams take those first small steps. So here's an example. And the idea behind the cards is that they're small things that leaders and teams can do instead of one big grandiose gesture. I find that when we want to shift our behavior, having small steps that we can take that are so small that it's easier to do and it's something that's repeatable, it develops a habit over time, both individually and then also with the team. So the actions are small things that you and your team can take to start working towards things like being more courageous, developing trust, embracing change, things like that. Remember, if your team isn't growing, they're going. What first steps can you and your team take to nurture a learning mindset and build a team culture of learning?